Hi guys, how's it going? So we're gonna deal with the front brake pads in Toyota Land Cruiser Prado.
Okay, I just removing the dust on the reservoir. Open the lid and keep it there for once. So first you have to remove the locks out of the way. Yeah, it's a very simple system, but you know, yeah. So removing the locks. Yeah. Now the brake pad separating spring. So you can see this spring is you know um, whenever you use the brake, after that the pads are going away from that rotor, and after that there is no friction. That is the usage of the spring. And this time you can safely remove that pins. Yeah, easily. Just give a little bit of wiggle, it will come off easily. Right? You can remove that spring out. Always remember, when you're removing that spring from the slot, make sure you are just not touching that, the rubber O-rings. Do not break that rubber O-ring. Now this time you can just remove that brake pads, right? Give it a little bit of wiggle. If it is not coming out, you just use, prime that piston. Yeah, you can see that pad is almost via. It's only 2 mm or 3 mm left. Yeah. The full of dust, you can buy a brake clean or something, but I like this way. So now we're gonna use the brand new one. So we need enough space. So we have to press that, the pistons out of the way. I'm using a prime bar. Yeah, that's the way. Always remember, removing the dust is making you less friction, so you don't damage that rubber, you know, on the sides. Yeah, we can use a brush, wire brush or something, carefully removing that dust and the rusty, the portion, because we need a clean place. I personally am not using any lubricants on it. You can see the silver plates with a lot of dust on it, removing the dust. And I personally put a little bit of grease on it because I don't want any squeaky noise. That's the only grease I'm normally using on the brake works. That's all you needed. If you use too much grease on the touching parts, so after every braking we are making a lot of dust, so it will make cloaky, the brake pads. So I just don't recommend you using any lubricants. Yeah, every month you can use a brake cleaner, because these days all brakes are visible because of the alloy wheels. You can see that tongue. The tongue one is going inside. All right, you can see that the tongue part, the tongue one. There is, yeah, two of them with the tongues. This is going in inside. So now you can see that you're not able to fix that. It's not go easily. So you have to depress or press it again, because it's a brand new one. So we have to press the piston completely. Have a look. Yeah. Now, you have to be patient and take it out and press the piston again with the prime bar or something. Yeah. Yeah, that's the right way. You can use the used pad. Either way you can use it. All right. There we go. The piston is going in completely. Take your time. Now you try it again. Yeah, normally it will go in. Yeah, that's the way. Cool. Now you can put the spring back on. The separating spring I'm talking about before. That's the way it is. Have a look. Yeah. Put the spring back on. There's a small hole there. All the two tips are, connecting into that little slot over there. Make sure you're just not breaking that rubber o-rings, which is very important. If you do that, it's a bad day for you. Right, and this time the pin time, putting the pin back on. Bit of wiggle. Yeah, it should be, yeah, inside. Then the spring will be there. Yeah, there we go. One side is in. Yeah, and the other one, the top side. Smoothly and nice and easy. Oh, it's the log time. Very simple work, but it is amazing. Very simple job actually. But that's the slot I'm talking about. There's a little hole there. You have to fix the tip on that hole. The other side, I'm going to use the screwdriver and just boom, clink. That's it. It's inside now. Yeah, very smart, the way they use them. A simple technique, but it's separating the parts from the rotor each and every time. Now you can use that pin. Oh yeah, that's the one. There we go. You see that in the middle, there is kind of a U shape, and that is tucking inside, and both side is into that little hole. Boom, done. The brake work is done actually. That's done. It's finished. Now, what you have to do is, visually you have to inspect each and everything is intact.
Okay, guys, so we successfully replaced our brake pads. So at this point, you just go into the car and pump the brake pedal, right? And make sure there is no air in the system. Okay, you just go for a ride, and if the car is when you're applying the brake, if the car is going into one side, that means there is an air in your system. Make sure there is no air in the system. You just bleed the lines. That's it. All right, the work is done, mate. And you use the genuine parts, and it's a brake work, right? So very careful when you do it. Do your research and do the proper job and enjoy your time. All right. Save a little money and take care, guys. Have a wonderful time.